See, look at that glow. Whoa. Pretty divine. Like this. Wow. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you the essential skincare and beauty products that you're going to need. First of all, we're going to start with skincare. So the first thing I'm going to talk about is cleanser. I have been using this cleanser, La Roche-Posay, forever. It is my holy grail. Love it so much. My dermatologist prescribed it to me, and ever since it has cleared my skin. Like, oh, thank you so much. Now, onto the famous Glow Recipe. So I've heard like mixed opinions about Glow Recipe, mainly like really good. Also, by the way, this video is not sponsored. I mean, I'm not like, yeah, no, it's not sponsored. I have this toner by the Glow Recipe. Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow PHA plus BHA Pore Tight Toner, Hydrating plus Pore Refining. I don't even know what that means. I thought it was supposed to clean your pores. Anyways, it smells like absolutely delicious. It smells like watermelon. I wish you could smell. Okay, like the best smelling skincare you can get. It is really, really good smelling. I love this smell so much. Now, onto has it cleared my skin? Honestly, I haven't seen the benefits right now. I have recently bought it, as you can see. I've like not used that much. It smells delicious. The consistency is really nice. Like, it feels really good on your face. But I don't know if I've seen really any changes in my skin. Like, have my pores been tighter? I don't really know. Has they been tighter? It's quite on the expensive side, but then again, skincare is expensive, so you can decide. But would I buy this again? It really depends. Like, it makes me feel bougie and cool. Does it clear my skin? I don't really know, okay? That's the final answer. Do you want to feel bougie? Then get that. If you don't, then don't. Save your money for something else. Like, I have some products in here that you are going to need. Like that cleanser, 10 out of 10. Now, time for the next Glow Recipe product. We have the Strawberry BHA Pore Smooth Blur Drops. So these are like some drops like this. Oh, okay. Yeah, like that. I love this feeling on my skin. Like, all the Glow Recipes, they feel amazing on your skin. Like, they are really good. This, I feel like I have seen some differences. Like, it feels very hydrating, like, and my pores just, they feel amazing. You don't think pores can feel good? This makes my pores feel good, all right? And you can use it, like, in the morning and in the night, and it is a good serum. So get it, and it's cute and small and compactable. Yes. Now, onto my holy grail. I feel like I've said that, I don't know. Product from the Glow Recipe. You may know this already, but the Glow Recipe drops, this is next level stuff. The Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dew Drops Ultimate Glow Plus Brightening. It glows my skin. Like, I feel like, you know, a glow stick? Yeah, but like in a good way. Like, glow sticks, maybe they're too glowy. But these, oh yeah, they're real good. Like, okay, why am I getting so excited? It's literally just a drop. Let me show you. I'm gonna put like a teensy bit because I don't have Sephora. See, look at that glow. Whoa, guys. Look at that glow. If you need a glow, get this. It helped clear my skin. Really good. The niacinamide drops. I don't even know what niacinamide is, but let me tell you, niacinamide is good. Okay? It's brightening. It glows. Look at that glow. You also want that glow. I know you're here because you want that glow, so get the glow. I have two moisturizer. But since we're on the topic of the Glow Recipe, I'm going to show you this Glow Recipe. I have used this quite a lot. It is the Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturizer. Would I recommend it if you have oily skin? No. Do not get this if you have oily skin. I have oily skin, and I felt like sometimes it wasn't the best because this is like very hydrating, and my skin's like pretty already hydrated being oily. So if you have dry skin, get this. Oily skin, I have an alternative for you, okay? I'm here for you. I also have oily skin. It is Bioma. I don't know how to say it. It is a sunscreen and a moisturizer. 2-in-1. I like that. You know how men have like their 20-in-1? This is my 2-in-1, which is good because I feel like 20-in-1 isn't good. I don't know. Okay, so it is a moisturizing gel. It's SPF 30, so I like to make sure that I put more moisturizer on after, like, SPF 50, because I don't want wrinkles, okay? Like, I mean, yeah, when I get old, but when I'm young, I don't want wrinkles, because I don't want the sun to, like, make me look old. I also don't recommend you guys to do that either. It has beta-glucan, hyaluronic acid. Oh yeah, I don't know what beta-glucan is, but I know hyaluronic acid is good. Okay, and it has like whole steps and things. Ooh, perfect! And it protects you from the sun. I love this on my skin. As I said, it just feels really good, okay? Like, get this moisturizer. I feel like it works for all skin types. Like with the glow recipe, get it if you have dry skin. This one you can get like all the time. I mean, you don't want to get burnt. 1, 2, it's really moisturizing. It's really good. So get that, okay? Now, for those who need some extra coverage, we got this sunscreen. Oh, this has SPF 50 as well, which is really good. We love SPF. This is a daily SPF tint, and it's really good for like coverage, and like if you have some uneven skin tone, it can even it out. I have it in, I don't even know what color it is. All I know is it's pale, and it has sunscreen. Oh, it's also vegan, and it has no fragrances, which is really good. I feel like it's just really good, and it evens out your skin tone if you have like red patches. It's chef's kiss. Also, by the way, I do not use all of these products at once because sometimes if you put too much on your skin, it is not good. I'm gonna move on to some good other skincare products. This is the sunscreen I always use. It's by Eucerin. I don't know, it's really good. And also this La Roche-Posay. You put this on like your acne, and it's supposed to get rid of your spots quicker, I think. If I got it wrong, I apologize, but that's what I think it does. That's what I put it in the attention that it does, and I feel like I've seen results. So trust me on that one. I'm gonna move on to like body products, like body and hair. We all know by now about Sol de Janeiro. Their moisturizer is expensive. Like, okay, it is expensive. That's why I only have like a baby one, because that steals all of my money. But I can't like express how much I love this moisturizer. I feel like there's definitely maybe some dupes or like ones as well that you could find. Amazing. But honestly, I don't think this one is the best one. The best one is the orange one. I'm gonna insert a picture here. That one is top tier, but I didn't buy it because, as you can see, I have this already. So onto hair. I feel like I got an eyelash on my eye. Ooh. Anyways, let's continue. Sol de Janeiro hairspray. I especially bought these because they were for your hair. Wait, this has pistachio in it? I thought it was just salted caramel. Well, this one honestly is my least favorite. This one is black, amber, plum, and vanilla woods. This is my second favorite. And my absolute favorite, because it's literally empty, is Brazilian jasmine and pink dragon fruit. It goes with that moisturizer. This one smells absolutely divine. I love it. This one sometimes gives me a headache. Yeah, these two sometimes give me a headache, like depending on the mood. This one doesn't. So get this one, okay? It is the pink one, 68. Keep that in mind. Now just other beauty products like makeup. We probably all know by now. The Rare Beauty Blush. But I can't express how much I love this blush so much. This one is run out, so I'm going to use this little baby one that I got from Sephora. Oh my god. Ah, it's like a baby. Wait, why isn't it coming out? Oh. Look at the size of that. That is a baby. Let's open it. Oh, no. I wasted a little bit. Let me show you. This is in the shade Happy because blush makes me happy. Whoa, see, like, it's so, like, effortless. Like, I feel like, how can a blush be effortless? Well, you know, it doesn't really, like, it's not too attention grabbing. Like, in the beginning when I first got it, like, and I first applied it, I was like, why is that so bright? But at first, like, it needs to absorb in your skin. Okay, I was, like, freaking out. I was like, oh my gosh, why do I look like a clown? But then I realized that it's because I needed to wait, and it will slowly soak into the skin and look really, really good. So, it is in the shade Happy. Beautiful. Onto the Burn Pixie. This is my first product from there. It is a moisturizing highlighting stick. I love the packaging. It's just so fun. Like, woo! And I love the color scheme. Like, I love pink and green. Like, look how beautiful that looks. I'm gonna show you the glow. Wow. You can't really see anything. It's maybe this lighting. But it is really good, and I recommend it to you because it is also moisturizing. And who loves a good moisture in your skin? Unless you have oily skin, but still, you still need moisture. The next product is also Rare Beauty. It is this lip product. It is so cute, and it is like dark red. I'm not gonna wear it now because I feel like I've already got a lot of product on my lips. Any of the Rare Beauty lip glosses are just really good. Like, I also love the packaging. It's so clean, and like this, oh, I love that. Like, it is a little circle on top of a lip gloss. Who doesn't love a circle on the top of their lip gloss? Onto eyelashes. I've been told that my eyelashes are pretty long. Maybe it's to do with genetics, but maybe it's also, oh, look at that glow. Sorry, I'm getting sidetracked. Maybe it is also this, the Ordinary Lash Serum. It is a beautiful lash serum that you apply on your eyelashes and it grows. Like, honestly, I think it is something to do with this, because I remember my eyelashes not being that long, and then I started like applying it as well as Vaseline. But when I put Vaseline, I got an eye infection, so don't put Vaseline on. I feel like that's kind of weird. If you want to, you can, but beware, you may get an eye infection. I had an eye infection and had to go to the doctors because of it. So I'd recommend using this instead. If you want to glow your eyelashes and use a serum, then use this Ordinary Multi-Peptide Lash and Brow Serum. I also use it on my eyebrows. I hope that you guys have appreciated and took into account my favorite products, because they are really good. Like, you should get them and you'll feel amazing and bougie. Like, look at this shine. Whoa, don't you want that shine? I know you want that shine. So get all these products. Am I gonna put a link down below? Probably. I'm gonna put all the names. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have an amazing, spectacular day. Yeah, thank you so much for 4K. You guys are amazing. Love you so much. Goodbye.